Hi, my friend. Let's make a steak, nice
Steak
beautiful,
sandwich.
fresh beef steak. I've got my own beautiful focaccia, and let's make it dairy free. I've got tofu, and we use my Ninja Woodfire. If you don't have a Ninja Woodfire, you can use a pan or whatever. So the Ninja Woodfire is on and is on grill, and I'm gonna also to put on my pan. In the pan I'm gonna put extra virgin olive oil, sliced very thinly onions, white onions. Meanwhile, the onions are cooking. I've got my beef steak. I'm gonna salt it, okay, like this. Paprika, touch of mustard, and paprika. Here we go. And this will be our beef steak. Tofu, and I'm gonna like a touch of olive oil in the Ninja. My onions are beautiful cooking. I'm gonna flavor my tofu in the olive oil and the onions. I'm gonna add a touch of model salt, and I'm gonna put some garlic. So the bread is in there, in the grill. The tofu is in the pan. The onions and the garlic in the pan. I'm gonna turn the bread on the other side. It's already nice. And meanwhile, the bread is cooking. Now I'm gonna put my steak in the grill. Here we go with the bread. Ready. The onions are ready. Let's put it here aside. A couple of minutes. The steak is thin, so a couple of minutes for the steak. Okay, my steak is nice. Let's put it on the other side. Couple of minutes, and minutes. My tofu is taking flavors with the onions, so this will be dairy free. Nice. Instead of using cheeses, we can use this nice beautiful flavored tofu. Okay, let's take my bread out. Nice and toasted. Put my tofu in the bottom of the bread. I can take my onions, and then I can slice this tofu finely like this. The steak, here we go. Nice. What do you think? With our Ninja? Wow. Here we go, my friend. This beautiful dairy free with my beautiful focaccia. Let me see, how is it? Mm. Buono, buonissimo. Beef steak baguette with tofu.